36. A toy car of mass 6 kilograms, moving in a straight path, experiences a net force given by the function F equals minus 3t. At time t equals 0, the car has a velocity of 4 meters per second in the positive direction and is located at positive 8 meters from the origin. The car will come instantaneously to rest at time t equal to... Well, in this case, you do need the function for velocity because it is the only way in which you are expected to find when it is coming to rest. So if your acceleration is force divided by mass, which is negative 0.5 t, then dv dt is equal to minus 0.5 t, dv is equal to minus 0.5 t dt, and you're expected to integrate this from 0 to some time t, and you're expected to integrate this from 4, which is your initial velocity, to some velocity v, and so this is v from 4 to v, and this is negative 0.25 t squared from 0 to t, so v minus 4 is equal to negative 0.25 t squared. This means that your velocity function is supposed to be equal to 4 meters per second minus 0.25 t squared. Now, the car will come instantaneously to rest at some time t when the velocity is 0. So we can make this an equation. 4 minus 0.25 t squared is equal to 0. T squared is going to be equal to 4 divided by 0.25, which is 16. Therefore, the time that we're looking for is 4 seconds. And that is option E.